bought it. It's too rich for my blood, but so we're just gonna unbox it and look at it, make sure it's not damaged, and y'all get to see what it looks like coming out of the box if you don't already know. All right, let's go. Should just come up. Oh, we gotta do it evenly or together.
We'll pick it up from the top. I'll go backwards.
Well, basically, unboxed it and it's backwards, but we can rotate it around.
Yeah. I'll put my side out.
And it's heavy.
Try to slide out.
I'm sure that's in the frame for y'all guys, but
Might be able to go this way.
let me get over here and see if it's still in the frame for y'all. Yeah, it's in there. And he got this one, it was on, I think it was after Black Friday, it was whenever, that was the 12 days of Christmas, is what it was. And it was on sale one day. I don't remember what day it was, but alright, so basically this is the look over. I mean, let me get you a little closer what's going on here. He opted for the green, which is, after looking at it, is a pretty good choice. I've always been a fan when I was his age, honestly, of the Kawasaki motorcycles, and this is almost Kawasaki green. I don't see any defects or any paint chips.
No. I'm crazy.
That's a nice box. I guess these are for the handles or your cabinets if you ever want those.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't think we're taking it off the crate because whenever he gets his job, he's got to take it there. But I think the ramp to get it off the crate is in one of these drawers. Got a nice little fire going. Still tell you what I think it smells like in the drawers. But drawers. So, a buddy of mine actually bought one and got it that same day. It was a blue one. He didn't like the locks. There's a latch system, and it runs all the way across here. Because he's in his personal shop, he's going to be somewhere where he needs to lock it up. So he's definitely keeping the locks on there. But yeah, apparently you can slide these plastic rails out here, and the drawers just come in and out without unlocking it. So each is their own. But that's something new that they did with this new series. I think it's the Series 3. Is before the rail was only on like one side or the other, and that's when they went all the way across, where you can just push it.
Oh, yeah, this is the cord for the charging system. It's inside the toolbox. This plugs in on the back of it.
So it's got a whole charging. Let me bring you over here and look at it. So this is basically a charging drawer. I guess I forget the name of this thing, but I don't think it has any kind of lightning strike protection or anything, GFI or anything like that. But it actually has the two USBs where you can charge your phone and several ports. It comes with a cord, which is in that bag, that plugs into the back here, and that's what gives power to your drawers. Of course, here's the ramp to doll it off the pallet. Very big box. This one's getting on the quote at first, and then I guess I got it. Or was that, yeah, that's the first one. What's in this box? We're gonna find out. Oh, that's the handle. You only have one handle, whichever side. Until you get a side box or whatever, you can put the handle on it to move it around. If you're gonna put the
That's
top,
gotta go.
if you're gonna put the top back on, I don't think you can put that on.
No.
But that's the US General Series 3. I'm gonna call it Kawasaki Green. I don't know what they call it. His box for his job. He's spent a lot of money on different random tools. More money than I'd ever spent on tools, but I never had any money. So, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. Thank y'all.